In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Game Pass for Please Donate. So please watch the video until the end and follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So let's get started. First, you want to go to roblox.com, and from here you just want to click on Create. Now you will be redirected to Roblox's Creators Hub, and as you can see, these are my created experiences. So these are the worlds. So now what you want to do is go to Creations and just tap on or click on the world. Now from here you want to scroll down and just click on Passes. Now as you can see, I already created my Please Donate pass. So what you want to do is just simply create a pass. Now you want to put here in the description or name, please donate. And it's up to you if you want to add a description. So I'll just create this pass. Now I'm going to click on this pass and simply click here on this pass sales. Now let's turn on this setting which says item for sale. And now you can add the price in Robux. So for example, let's just put 50 Robux and just click on save changes. Now your pass has been updated successfully. So that is how you make a game pass for Please Donate. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.